Hello everyone, we are from Batch 3 and myself Pavani, and our project title is Travel Planner. We are doing this project under the guidance of Miss S.L. Shailaja Madam Garu, and I'm going to explain some details about this project. Coming to the introduction part, travel is the movement of people between distinct geographical location. Travel can be done by foot, bicycles, automobile, train, buses, etc. with or without luggage. In the current scenario, travel is one of the few activity that most would answer as a hobby. It is something that exposes you to explain different tradition, culture, and experiences. Traveling is commonly done on various occasions, while people travel for vacation and some other for business and event. And most of the people are like to travel around the world. For them, this application is very useful. Coming to the existing system, Desi Traveler is an blog which is used to provide the information about the traveling details, and user can post the traveling details in this blog, and the post and the pictures which are going to posted by the user can be can also be post those pictures in the social media like Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus, etc. The main theme of this existing system will provide only user interface about the traveling information of this application. Now coming to the proposed systems, the proposed system is used to improve the application as good as a smart product. This proposed system overcomes the entire drawbacks of this existing system. Firstly, user must sign in into the application, then he can able to see the provided database or previously posted information by some other people or some other users. The user can plan the trip according to his interest, and who are people who are willing to travel those places, they can follow the user plan, and they can share the experiences by posting the pictures in in their profiles with description needed, and suggest the best places they visited, and communication is done among them through inbox provided in our application. And this application is also very useful for people who are more interested to travel. Thank you.
Yes, when you come to the abstract of this project, according to the travel planner, traveling is a great experience. People can travel across the world to gain the knowledge and experience of different situations. Here, we take an existing system as a Desi Traveler. It is a web page. Here, the existing system is that the travel agencies can plan the trip. First, the travel agencies can plan the trip, and they will take a group of people to the specific tourist places as a destination. As per the AC Travelers, it is a pre-planned scheduled trip. When come to the proposed system, this enables the registered travelers to find the other travelers of same interest. In this trip planner, it allows the traveler to plan the trip with the time, location, and form a group to interact among themselves. Interested ones can collaborate and make the trip very successful. This is an abstract of our project. When it comes to the technologies used in case of software and hardware requirements, here the software requirements are Windows 10 as a operating system we are used here, and the database is Firebase database. The programming languages we used here are Core Java. The tools are Android Studio in the version of 3.5.3. When come to the hardware requirements, here any Android mobile phone can support for this app, which is 4 GB RAM and i3 processor. When come to the problem statement of this project, people can collect the information about the tourist places according to their plans, what they are going to visit, but it is difficult to know the real-time experiences through. So that a tourist needs modern technologies which can serve to them. So the standard application should be easy to use and efficient to manage the traveling activities by using our application. The standard application enables the registered traveler to find the other travelers of same interest. If one person is going to Ooty, he can find the person who is with the same interest to go the same destination as Ooty by using this app. And the trip people plan the trip and post their pictures. Interested travelers can collaborate and complete this trip. When come to the user module, the user is going to do here is the user has to create the account or sign in into the account first. Then if you have already created the account, you can just sign in to it. Next, the user here the work that user can do here is user can post the pictures regarding their traveling experiences, and they can make the other traveler by posting pictures with their description, like if somebody posted their picture or any view regarding the place where they are visited, they can make their description that here I am going to visit this place in this time, it is great experience to me, and like that he is going to give description to that picture. And people can like, comment and share for the posted pictures, and they can also edit their profiles. Here we can provide the option of edit profile also. So if they want to add some information more after login to this application by some real-time examples, they can add it by using the edit profile option. Next, the server module. When it comes to the server module, the user has to create an account or sign into the account first as a same. Server gives the responses to the user with their login information by providing the authentication. When you see the execution of this project, first a user has to create their account, and server has to give reply to the user by mentioning that you are a valid user with valid email and their password. Next, by providing the authentication to the user, and data base given by user can be stored in the server. This is the server module which can be used in this project.
After entering into our app, it is the first page that you can display, and here it consisting of email, username, password, forget name, sign up and login. We have created this app through Android Studio. And we created this design in an XML file and we got through this Java to work into the app. So we get through find view by ID. All these constraints are get through find view by ID, and these are the buttons. Sign up and logins are the buttons. So while you click on the sign up, you can directly enter into the sign up page through an activity like intent. We use intent from move from one activity to another activity. So these are the things. Like here you can create an image, that image of your profile, and username, about, full name, phone, and here I have username, radio buttons to describe about the genders, and email and passwords. And we have created a requested permission for the password. It should contain minimum 8 characters and some of the special characters that it should be contained. So I have mentioned in my code, and we have used a drop down list to array adapter. In Android we can use the drop down list through array adapter. So I have used country, state, city through an array adapter and create an account. It's an button. So I created just a set on click listener. While clicking on that, you can directly your all details will be stored. We have fetched data from Firebase authentication through so this all the data will be stored. And after the sign up, you can give your mail and username and password. If you forget your password, you can forget password also, it's working. So then you can log in. After your login, you can see here. So these are the Google page that we have created. If you click on these things that we have suggested here, these places, it will show where the place you are, and it will display the route map for that how you can go there while in the location of a Google. And this is the page for Keja. So you can see she posted a picture of Devikulam, and she also written about the thing of the places and her experience. So she posted it on 26th April 2020, and according to that time also will be displayed, and she liked it. You can also comment for that picture and share to WhatsApp and other apps, and you can also delete the picture if you don't want it to display, and it will be displayed in home page. And while entering into the page only, you can show a toast. We have created just a toast message that welcome Keja. So we have used a plus username in Keja in toast message, so that again it is displaying welcome Keja, also displaying. It's a profile and logout. These are the menu options that we have already known in Android. It consisting of a menu option. These are the top menu options I have created here: profile and logout. While clicking into the profile, it will directly enter into the profile statement, and if you log out, we can log out from the tab. And this is about the home page. And next, it is a new post page. Here it is the new post page. So we have created this add title to our post, and write about your post, what you are feeling, and add an image. So we are creating an image. I have created a alert dialog box, because if you click on that image, it will show you that if you wanted from select the pictures from your gallery or from your camera. If you click on that camera, I have given a requested permission whether you wanted to allow this app to access your camera. So if you allow it, it will directly open your camera, and you can take the pictures and you can directly post it. So I have created a post a button post, and this is about the new page. And next, it is a profile. So this is the profile that who is their belongings to. They can see their profile picture and their name, and they what have given about themselves they can return. So you can also edit the picture. Here you can edit picture, and you can change what about, and also save changes. It will also be saved. So here you can observe in edit followers, following, post, trips. I have given a count in Android. So just from the place where we have the friends who are the followers, and we following that whom we wanted to following, and the posts, how many of the posts that you have posted in your profile, and how many of trips you have planned. So this all the count will be incremented only in profile. So this is about the profile of every individual. And this is the post page, where all the posted can be, where all the posters can be you can see here, and you can come like that, comment that. And this is the post. And friend, you have seen the welcoming home page. It's just the pictures that belongs to only you two, and this is the pictures that belong whoever else, anybody have posted the picture. So we have created it like and after that, post page and friends page. This is the friends page. So we have fetched this friends page. It consisting of like a person profile and their name. And if you wanted to follow, you can follow. Here I have used a recycler view for scroll. Here only not, I have used recycler view for the scrolling. Next, so this is the trip. This is the main part of our app. This is the main part of our app and the plan of our project. Here you can see a name. She's a Pavani, and she wanted to go from Hyderabad to Bangalore, and from the date 12/4/2020 to 16/4/2020, and the cost per head is 5,000, and the few stops are Kurnool, and max attendance. We have given a limitations to the persons, how many the members they need to go. We have given a limitations for that tip. So if you click, so here we use a fragment. While you click on it, this plus button, you can directly see enter origin from where you are, and enter your destination where you wanted to go, and the cost of the trip. And here the start date. We have used a Google Calendar here, that only the date display whether you now date which you wanted to start. It will not display the completed date or else completed thing. So this is about the calendar and few stops and the of limitations, and we have confirmed. So this entire data what we have created here will be displaying here. So this is I'll end displaying here, and after this completion we will go into that if follow unfollow page. If a person created a trip, he himself also wanted to follow, and remaining how many members are the remaining this. So totally he give a limitations. If you follow only, you can see their messages, what they are texting, when they are going, how they will go, which time. So they get details from the others while chatting, and they get details, and they can join and they can go. So this is about the follow and unfollow page, and this is a chat box, like this is like a chat box.
Conclusion. Travel planner is helpful for users to travel and easy to communicate with others and collaborate to go to the trip through this application. This application is portable and can be easily installed used any mobile phone supporting Android OS. The use of this system is get the information about the place they need to travel and post the pictures as memory and get the compliments like from others through this application. It consists of some data about the tourist places who are visited the place and also provides the interface which is easy to understand by the user and greatly help in the adapting the use of this system. This is conclusion. Bibliography. Title Tourism Guide for Tamil Nadu. Others P.K. Jitin, P. Prashant, M. Vishnuaram, J.T. Tirukrishna. Published on April 2018. In this paper, author presents find the details of tourist places which the user wants to visit. It can realize to query information for various places and gives the multi output and hence it more practical significance. Next paper is tourist experience expectations questionnaire developed under text narrative analysis. Authors Chin Wen Singh and Mick Choi Chen. Published on 22 February 2015. In this paper, author presents including the various experience of specific events or daily life during the trip. Tourist experience expectations are output between the tourist and a tourism system before the trip. Next one is web-based diary, compensation smartphone app for travel and activity service. Authors Graves, published in 2007. In this paper, author presents improve the quality of data collected and encourage the participations and reduce the participation burden while the keeping costs down. An updated diary and smartphone app were developed. Number of people are travel in this so uh, cost reduced. It is helpful for participations. Data quality was measured using the number of valid trips entered by the participants and the number of trips user traveled. This is bibliography. Thank you.